Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our second BBIS virtual assembly. We hope you've all had a great week and you've enjoyed the amazing and exciting learning experiences that your teachers have been very busily preparing for you this week. And our primary students, I hope you enjoyed Miss Holmes' story time that premiered just before this assembly. If you did miss the premiere, don't worry, it's on our YouTube channel along with all our other stories, so please go back and enjoy those story times. So in today's assembly, we're going to be announcing our online stars of the week and then finding out who are the winners of our house point competition this week. Starting in Year 1 VB, Juliana Pace for going above and beyond in all of her online tasks. Juliana has created amazing and creative videos using props to make them even more enjoyable. She puts 100% effort into her work. Well done, Juliana. In 1KH, this week's Star of the Week is Yudam Kim for his incredible motivation and for putting 100% effort into everything. Yudam works hard to complete tasks on time to the best of his abilities. In Year 2 RH, Anders Grunberg for going above and beyond in all of his online tasks. He created a detailed drawing of his observation of his beans growing with labels which he had researched himself. Well done, Anders. In 2VE, we have Denise Olmes for his great communication skills during the online learning. Denise always gives detailed answers and shows his understanding, especially during science experiments. Now into Year 3 in 3LW, Orshaya Rurehush for her organizational skills and taking online learning seriously. She asks for clarifications and joins in discussions as well. Well done, Orshaya. In 3JC, this week's Star of the Week is Lurin Such-Lukovic for working hard to complete assignments consistently and eagerly participating in lessons. In 4SH, we have Shebnem Odumtsu for going above and beyond in all of her online tasks. This week she wrote a beautiful poem with figurative language in English. Well done. In 4OG, we have Polina Strikova for being an independent learner. She worked eagerly to complete her tasks with high quality in mind and managed her time wisely. In 5JC, we have Bennett Sobo for being an independent learner. Bennett always completes his learning to the best of his abilities and is a shining example to his peers. Well done, Bennett. Moving into 5TH, we have Irakli Kaziria for being an independent learner. Irakli has been independent and taking his online learning seriously, including completing all tasks on time and with enthusiasm. Now into Year 6. And Funny Sokal in 6GB. Well done, Funny. You've been going above and beyond this week. You've completed all your extension activities and she goes back to make any improvements to ensure her work is finished to the highest ability. And in 6HJ, this week's Star of the Week is Michelle Liao for making the effort to support her peers. She's provided technical support to classmates, given others feedback in lessons when they were creating circuits, and has provided valuable feedback to others in their diary writing. Great job, Michelle, well done. Now let's move into MYP. And in language and literature, the Star of the Week this week is Agnes Pasqui for being principled. Agnes has taken responsibility for her learning and solving problems to complete tasks to the highest of standards. Well done, Aggie. In mathematics, the mathematics Star of the Week this week is Sonia Vera for being a risk taker. She's been working particularly hard in mathematics and always asking great questions online. In sciences, we have Zsofia Christoph, who has again been a risk taker. She's made a great Rube Goldberg machine this week. I'd love to take a look at that, Zsofia. If you could send me a photo or a video of your machine in action, fantastic. In language acquisition, we have Bertzel Bunky for being an inquirer. Bertzi has been showing independence in his learning this week. In individuals and societies, Lily Becker for being a communicator. Lily has been very effective in her contributions to our class discussions on energy sources. In design, we have Dori Rizzo for being principled. Dori always provides high quality work and taking all aspects of her learning seriously. Well done, Dori. For visual arts, we have again Sonia Vera for being, this time, a thinker, for confidently sharing her photography work and coherently explaining the context of a famous photograph. Well done, Sonia. In performing arts, we have Robert Kirkbride for being a risk taker. Robert was particularly resourceful and resilient this week when approaching his spy theme composition. And finally, this was an award from last week. We have for Alessandra Peniche in recognition of working really well in mathematics and completing a lot of the difficult work set. Well done, Alessandra. So congratulations to all of our Stars of the Week this week. Fantastic work. And we look forward to hearing who are our Stars of the Week at next week's virtual assembly. Now, every time you receive a dojo point in primary for being an excellent online learner, that translates into a house points. So now we're going to move to our house points competition and find out this week who collected the most house points. If you remember last week, the winners were Team Blyton with a massive 370 points. This week, in fourth place, we have Team Dahl. Congratulations to everyone in Team Dahl. You scored 142 points this week. In third place, with just 4 points more, we have Team Fine with 146 points. In second place, well done to Team Rowling with 155 points. Great job to everybody in Team Rowling. And again, in first place, they scored a massive 186 points this week, is Team Blyton. Congratulations. Have a restful and relaxing weekend. I've just checked the weather forecast and it looks like it's going to be amazingly beautiful weather here in Budapest. So please recharge your batteries and be ready for next week's online learning. Have a great weekend, everybody, and see you soon.